Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to animation image in Adobe Express. So get let's started. At first, open your Adobe Express document. In this video, I will show animation from image. Now we select from start from your content. Now for select. Now select from image. Now click for open option. Now you can see the interface start from your image. Now click for edit image option, then wait for some moment, then we show the image, then image from animation. Now go into the animation option. Now we select from or animation. Now it shows animation style. That is. Now you should select from drape option. Now you can see animation image in Adobe Express is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.